Create new, confirm, return. This interface appears. The first one is length 110 and hook angle 135. The second one is length 640 and angle 36. In the third line, enter the length E and the angle 72. In the fourth line, enter the length 850 and the angle 72. In the fifth line, enter the length 640 and the angle 36. In the sixth line, enter the length E and the angle 72. Make a check mark where the set length needs to be arced, that is, the second and fifth rows.